Good morning, welcome back to another Designer's Den. For the month of December, we are going to be focusing on gift giving because it is the holiday season. I'm in our home decor section of our store, and this is actually one of my favorite departments of our store. I just love the display of the different accessories on the different tables. They're very organized by either color or style, and it almost feels like a treasure hunt, and I love treasure hunting. So with gift giving, I'm gonna talk about this very large piece of art. So I sent this to my niece and my sister-in-law in a text, and I said, I think this would be perfect for my niece's room. They both loved it. I bought her these baskets probably at the end of October, and she loves them. She puts her stuffed animals in them and just arts and crafts. And look at the color coordination that we have with the tassels and the piece of art. So I think this is gonna look perfect in her room. It's very large. It's 49 by 49 square. It's a great price for $79. The baskets come as a set of 2 for $48. So these are great values. So her mom's gonna let me know if this is gonna fit in her space. Measuring is always so important. Whether you're buying furniture or large pieces of art like this, you wanna make sure that it's gonna fit where you're gonna put it. And also with the holiday season, I always like gifting something for yourself, because why not? A little self-love, self-care isn't a bad thing. I've been eyeing this vase probably for a year now. I talked about this in our gift giving last year, and I still haven't bought it. So for $24.99, I think I need this in my life. I just love the shape, the geometric shape, and then the subtle gold accent right there on the top. So like I said, for the whole month of December, we're gonna be talking about gift giving and some ideas, so stay tuned for the rest of the month. And as always, you can find everything in this video in store or at afw.com.